Hello and good morning to everyone. This is Devasis Mohanty. Today I am welcoming you everyone to our triangle similarity discussion. And in this triangle similarity discussion, today whatever the questions we will do, all these questions are related to our median. But before that, I want to make you remind what is the definition of the median. Everyone knows median is one of the line segment. Median is one of the line segment which joins from one vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite sides. And in a triangle, the number of a median it is possible, it is 3 in numbers. So today all our question related to our median. So for which first question I want to show to you, everyone see, all these questions are very easy, but you just have to see the first question. Here it is one of the triangle figure I am drawing, and here it is the name of the triangle, it is ABC. ABC is one triangle, and here it is D, E, F. This one it is another triangle. So it means one of the triangle we have chosen it as the ABC. Another triangle it is our DEF, and here it is the name of the median for the triangle ABC. It is our AM. And the name of the median for the triangle DEF, suppose I am considering it as the DN. So in the first question, in our first question, the question is given just like this. Everyone, you just have to see. Actually, the question it is given just like this. This one AB, this one it is our BC, then this one it is our median AM. So it means in the triangle ABC, the side AB, then after the side BC and the median AM, the median AM is in the equal ratio with the DE of the another triangle, EF of the another triangle, and DN of the another triangle. Once again repeating, the sides AB, side BC and the median AM is in the equal ratio with the DE, EF and DN of the triangle DEF. Then after it is asked that you have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Once again in the rough side here I am writing, actually here it is given that, which one it is given here I am making one of the list. See, it is given that AB divided by DE it is equal to BC divided by EF it is equal to AM divided by DN. Everyone, you just have to see, actually these ratio are equal, it is given, and we need to prove that the triangle ABC it is similar to triangle DEF. See one thing, actually to prove the triangle ABC it is similar to triangle DEF, one of the easier formula it is, see, one of the easier formula it is, if at any cost this angle we can show it as the same as this angle, then after including side, this one it is already in the ratio, this one it is already in the ratio. So for which we can easily show that both the triangles are similar. Once again repeating, actually to show the larger triangle ABC to be similar with the larger triangle DEF, if only this angle we can show it as the same with only this angle, thereafter the one of the angle of both the triangles are similar, also including angles are already in the same ratio, it is already given. So it means only one angle similarity bears the importance. See, but how to show that this angle it will be same as this angle? For this, see, How to show that this angle it will be same as this angle? So for this, one of the important thing you have to remember, if this little triangle, cross mark little triangle, if this little triangle and if this little triangle, we can show that the both the two little triangles are our similar. If at any cost we are capable to show that this little triangle and these little triangles are similar, then after automatically the the corresponding angle of the similarity triangle 100% will be same. So for which this angle we can show it as the equal to this angle. Perfectly good. So first one, it is our, anyhow I want to show this triangle, it is similar to this triangle. See, everyone, you just have to see which one it is given. See, which one it is given. From the given one, I want to formulate another one. See, here it is given. Just see, I will only do the adjustment. AB by DE, it is equal to BC by EF is equal to AM divided by DN. Only this one it is given. Only this one it is given. See one thing. See one thing. Suppose one of the fraction it is given 6 divided by 3. Can I write 6 divided by 3? Is it same? Whenever I will divide both the numerator and denominator with the 3. So it means 2 by 1. Whether 6 by 3, is it same as the 2 by 1? Why both are same? Because this one and this one both are our equivalent fraction. Otherwise, one can say that whenever we will divide the numerator and denominator with the same number, the fraction it will remain same. So for which see one thing, actually to show the similarity of this little triangle, we do not want the BC by EF. Actually we want this little one divided by this little one. See perfectly, this little one divided by this little one. And from the total, as it is the median, suppose total it is 10, this one it will be 5. And if this total one it is our 12, it means this one it will be 6. So for which I am doing one thing, see carefully. Here it is BC it is written and here it is EF it is written. See, in the different ink color I am writing so that you can understand well. Here I am dividing by 2 and also here also I am dividing by 2. Understood or not understood? Whatever the previous fraction it was, the fraction it will remain same, because with the fraction both to the numerator and also both with the denominator we are dividing by 2. So for which next step I am writing, just see, AB divided by DE. Now see, BC I have divided by 2. So BC divided by 2, it means I got it as the BM. And now EF divided by 2, it means it is our EN. Because this one it is the median. This one it is the median, means median divides the base it into 2 equal parts, which is equal to our AM divided by DN. See perfectly, from this equal ratio, otherwise from this proportion, everyone see perfectly, from this proportion we got this one. Suppose this one it is 1 divided by 2. See, AM FB divided by DE, it means 1 divided by 2, it is equal to BM means this little 3 divided by 4, and AM divided by DN means this one it is 5 divided by 6. It means one thing we are observing from this proportion that all the sides of this little triangle ABM, all the sides of this little triangle ABM, it is in the same ratio with the corresponding sides of the triangle DEN. It means the ratio of this side and corresponding of this side, both the sides of both the triangles are in the equal ratio, otherwise in the proportion. So for which directly I can say by S criterion. Which criterion? It means similarity criterion. I can say, see, triangle ABM is similar to triangle DEN. Actually, our first target it was, anyhow we have to show the little two triangles are to be similar. Already we got the success by proving this little triangle it is similar to this little triangle. Why we are in the mood to show it as the two little triangles we are similar? Because whenever we are capable to show that both the triangles are similar, it means all of its corresponding angles are equal. See, all of its corresponding angles are equal means actually I want this angle it is to be same as this angle. So it implies, see, it implies B angle it is equal to E angle. Why B angle it is same as E angle? Because corresponding part of the similarity triangle. See, now this angle it is same as this angle, and already it was given this one divided by this one, it is equal to total 1 divided by total 1. Now see what I am writing. Now B angle is equal to E angle. Just now we got AB by DE, it is our BC by EF. It means one of the angle it is equal to the one of the corresponding angle of the another triangle, along with its including sides are in the ratio with the two including side of this angle. So for which by SAS criterion, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Understood and not understood? Perfectly understood and not understood. Next question also we will do the discussion with something more interesting thing. Understood and not understood? In the question number 1, previous one, actually both the triangles we are asked to prove it as the similar. But in this question, it is the converse one. The question here it is asked, from the starting it is given that this triangle it is similar to this triangle. It means it is given this triangle it is similar to this triangle, it is already given. But it is asked, and again it is given that AM and DN both are the median. It is given that AM and DN both are the medians, and here it is given that you have to prove, see important thing, you have to prove that this one divided by this one is equal to this one cross mark divided by this one. It means, see carefully, actually which sides are given in the equal ratio, both the sides are the sides of this little triangle and this little triangle. So it means one thing it is clear, if we can show that this little triangle it is similar to this little triangle, it is same as this little triangle, it means corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Remember one thing, actually here it is asked to prove the same. Actually it is asked that you have to prove this. Proving this one, it is also same as proving triangle ABM, it is similar to triangle DEN. Proving this one, it is also same as proving the triangle similarity of this one. So it means one thing it is clear, it may be question may be asked this one, otherwise question may be asked this one. Always you have to follow the same formula, same processing step you have to go through. Otherwise, one can ask the question just like this. See, otherwise one can ask this one. Otherwise, one can say just like this. See, writing the two fractions are equal, it is also same as the product of the cross multiplication. It means one can say that, prove that AB into BN, it is equal to AM into DE. It means one may ask this one, otherwise one may ask this one, otherwise one may ask this one. Always you have to do the same step, and the original step is always you have to find out this triangle, it is similar to this triangle. Got well? Got perfectly? So for which first our priority is this triangle should be similar to this triangle. See, before that I want to separate from the list. Actually here it is given that both the triangles are our similar. See one thing, given, from the given I want to find which information I can find. See, actually from the given information it is given that ABC triangle is similar to triangle DEF. As both the triangles are similar, see perfectly, as both the triangles are similar, it means A angle is equal to D angle. Corresponding angles are same. B angle is same as E angle. C angle is same as F angle. It means all of their corresponding angles are equal. Then after, all of their corresponding sides are in the ratio. See, AB divided by DE, AB divided by DE is equal to BC divided by EF. It is also same as first and last AC divided by CF. It means from the hints, means from the given one, it is clear that this one corresponding all angles are equal, also corresponding sides are in the same ratio. See, actually why I have done this one, because from the two information I want whether any of the information will it be helpful to prove that this triangle it is similar to this triangle. Actually I want this triangle it is to be same as this triangle. So for which one thing it is clear, just see perfectly. Actually this one it is, this one divided by this one, everyone you just have to see, perfectly see. See, whatever the AB by DE it is written, the same thing I am repeating. AB divided by DE I am writing. Then after I will write BC divided by EF. BC means larger one divided by EF. But I want little triangle, I want this side I want. Not full side I want. Full side it is the BC, but I want to show that this little triangle it is similar with this little triangle. So for which I want BM. BM I can get whenever BC I will divide by 2. Whenever BC I will divide by 2. So for which here the numerator I will divide by 2. Also denominator also I will divide by 2. On dividing numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number, the fraction it will remain same. So for which BC divided by 2 means BM, and here it is EF divided by 2, it means it is our EF. So it means already we got, see, it means already we got this step which says 1 divided by 2 it is equal to this little one 3 divided by 4. Understood? And another thing I am saying, see, whenever both the triangles are similar, it means here we have already got B angle it is same as E angle. It means this angle it is same as this angle. It means here also I am writing here B angle it is same as E angle. Because from the similarity I got both the case. So it means from this one and this one it is clear. See, from this one and this one it is clear. So by, see, one angle, then after including sides, so it means by SAS criteria. By this criterion I can say triangle ABM is similar to triangle DEN. This triangle, it is similar to this triangle. Whenever both the triangles are similar, we have already proved, it means their corresponding sides are in the similarity. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Whenever the two triangles are similar, it means their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. See, so it means AB divided by DE, writing AB divided by DE, it is equal to BM divided by EN. It is equal to, sorry, not BM, it is not required. See, AM, first last, it is equal to DN. AM divided by DN. Also, one can write it as the BM divided by EN. Corresponding three sides are in the equal ratio. But this one is not asked. Only it is asked that you have to show that only two of its corresponding sides are in the equal ratio. Understood? So already we have proved. So tell me, this one it is the easier one, otherwise this one it is the difficult one. Also this one it is one of the question which related to our median. Understood perfectly? Also just wait, we will do the another question also. This question it is little bit more interesting. Okay? See, in the question number 3, it is given that ABC is one triangle and DEF it is another triangle, and AM it is the median for the triangle ABC, and DN it is the median for the triangle DEF. Actually median means its work is this one, it will bisect this one, and its work it is also it will bisect this one. Got perfectly? And here it is given that, see, one of the important thing, here it is given that this side, and this side, it is in the equal ratio with this side of both the triangles. Remember previously whatever the questions we have already done, in every question always we consider the BC, but here it is BC is not in the equal ratio with the EF. So whenever you are getting AB and SC, it means this one and middle one, this one and middle one, all are in the equal ratio. So in that time it is asked you have to show that, here it is asked that you have to prove that. See, to prove means what we need to prove? See, we need to prove ABC triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. It means both of our larger triangles are similar. See here one thing, this side, all are in the equal ratio. See one thing, one of the important thing you just have to see, as it is two sides it is given, here it is a chance it is, if this side and this side both are in the equal ratio with this one by this one and this one by this one, so then after we can show that both the larger triangles are our similar. And another one it is, see, as both the sides and these both sides are in the equal ratio with one another, if at any cost I can show that this angle it is the same as this angle, if at any cost I can show that this angle A it is the same as angle D, so then after we can show easily by using our S similarity criteria. Angle same as angle, including side both are in the equal ratio, for which we can say it easily that both the triangles are our similar. See, so first we have to give the target, anyhow we have to show that this angle it is same as this angle. Perfectly good. See, for this what we will do, everyone you just have to see. For this what we will do, listen, few of the construction we will do. See everyone, AM length it is how much, also the same length I will extend. Suppose name it is P, this one it is P, and remember this one length it is how much, MP it is also same. AM and MP both are same. Now I am joining, just see, B I am joining with the P and C I am joining with the P. Can you say me which type of quadrilateral it is? Can you say me which type of quadrilateral it is? Just listen. As this one it is how much, this one it is the same, and here it is just like two diagonals, and this diagonal part it is same as this part of the diagonal, and also as it was the median, it divides this one both are same. For which you just have to remember, here both the diagonals bisect each other. Whenever diagonal bisects each other, whenever diagonals bisect each other, 100% that quadrilateral it is your parallelogram. So it means this one it is one of the parallelogram. And see, the same thing here also I will do. See, here also I will do the same thing, and here its name it is Q. And this one I will join with this one I will join with this one, and this length it is same as this length. So for which this one it is also one of the parallelogram, this one it is another parallelogram. Perfectly good. See, now what I will show to you. See, actually what it is given, from the given one I will do the adjustment. So for which you just have to see it carefully. This one we need to prove. This one we need to prove. From the given, it is given that, see carefully, AB divided by DE is equal to AC divided by DF is equal to AM divided by DN. Listen, what is my target? See, my target is anyhow this triangle, left side triangle, I have to show it as the equal to the left side triangle of that parallelogram. It means this triangle, anyhow I have to show that similar to this triangle. So whenever I can show both the triangles are similar, actually I can prove that this dot mark angle, it is same as this dot mark angle. In the same way, I have to show that right side triangle, it is same as right side triangle. And whenever right side triangle, it will be same. This cross mark, this tick mark, it is same as this tick mark. So then after I can say that sum of these two, it is same as sum of these two. Finally, I can say A angle, it is same as D angle. Now you understood my target. So now, anyhow, from the ratio, anyhow, everything I want to convert to the sides of this triangle and side of this triangle. See, side of this triangle means AB, here it is DE. So here it is already given AB and D, no need to change. So it means same thing I am repeating. AB divided by D. SC I do not want, right side SC I do not want. When SC it will be required, whenever I will do the discussion of a similarity of right side, there it will be required SC and DF. But SC it will not be required. See, in place of a SC, as it is the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. It means this one, it is same as this one. SC, it is same as C. SC, it is same as BP. So for which in place of a SC, I am writing it as the BP, and in place of a DF, I will write it as the EQ. Here I am writing it as the EQ. See one thing, previously AM it was given, but here now I want the AP, and previously DN it was given, but now I want the DQ. See, with the AM, if I will multiply 2 here, if I will multiply 2 here, is anything changed? Because to get the equivalent fraction, same number we can multiply with both the numerator and the denominator. So for which if this one 5, so total one it will be 10, because this one it is how much I constructed, this one it is also that much. So for which by multiplying 2 I got it as the AP divided by DQ. See perfectly. Actually I got in the proportion 3 sides of this triangle, it is in the equal ratio with the 3 sides of this left side triangle. Left side triangle, 3 of its corresponding sides are in the equal ratio. So for which directly writing by SSS criterion, see, triangle ABP is similar to triangle AEQ. This triangle it is similar to this triangle. Understood? It implies this angle, this dot mark angle, it means BAP angle, it is the same as this dot mark angle, it means EDQ. Why both the angles are equal? Because of corresponding angles of the similarity, and triangles always same. Whenever the triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are also equal. See, so this one it is one of the equation I am getting. Just see, this one I am getting one of the equation. Just like I proved that this triangle it is similar to this triangle, this triangle it is similar to this triangle. See, after this I will write it directly. Similarly, see, a right side triangle ACT similar to triangle DEQ. Just like I have shown the left side triangle, it is same as left side triangle. In the same way, one can show it as the right side triangle. It is same as it is similar to the right side triangle. And see, whenever the right side both the triangles are equal, it implies I can write, see, this tick mark angle it is same as this tick mark angle, because both are the corresponding angles of the similar triangle. So for which here I am writing MAC angle it is equal to NDF angle. So this one I am making it as the equation 2. See one thing, this dot it is same as this dot, this tick mark it is same as this tick mark. See, whenever I will add the equation 1 and 2, see here I am writing adding 1 and 2, see, adding 1 and 2, see, left side A angle, whenever it will be added with BAP angle, it means this angle it will be added with this angle, it means I will get it as the A angle. Whenever right side NDF means right side means this angle, whenever it will be added with this angle, it means I will get it as the D angle. So it means from this it is clear, A angle it is equal to our D angle. See, here I am showing you with the little figure. See, I have already got in the two triangles original triangle, I got finally this angle it is same as this angle. It means here it is A angle it is equal to D angle. Then after previously AB it was given this one divided by this one, it is equal to this one divided by this one, this one divided by this one. So it means according to directly one can write SAS rule or criterion triangle ABC is similar to triangle DF. Proved. Tell me this question it is easy or difficult? Tell me this questions easy or difficult? So all these three questions were all about the similarity of the triangle proof. Where is the median is there? So for which all these three questions you have to keep practicing. If anywhere any problem you are facing in the coming days, also you have to feel free to talk to me. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.